Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, thanks for joining. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and let's go. Let's see what's taking place. So if you're new to this channel, we do various stuff on this channel. We bring you stuff that we find interesting, like different parts of the news, cooking, it may be entertainment. Once it's interesting, once it's of interest to me, I'm gonna share it with you. So guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. Guys, I was scrolling the net as usual, and I came across a very sad story. It breaks my heart. When I saw this story, I was like, OMG, literally. So it's just sad. It involves a 3-year-old child. It involves a 3-year-old child, guys. He's not he has been sent to the afterlife, God rest his soul, because of a mentally challenged man. And he lost his life in a very sad and cruel circumstances. So let's go straight into the story. I'm gonna be reading what the story says. So in case you're seeing me looking that way, I'm just trying to read what the article is saying. So let's go. Port Maria, St. Mary. Nursing wounds to his head, face, and hands inflicted in an attack that also left 3-year-old Asher Campbell, that's his name, 3-year-old Asher Campbell, sent to the afterlife, and 4 other people are injured. So the 3-year-old has passed, and you have 4 other people who are seriously injured. Let's continue. David Chapajan Waugh. So his name is David Waugh, otherwise called Chapajan, on Thursday struggled to understand why they were attacked. I was delivering fish. When I reached the yard gate to drop off the fish, I just felt a puncher in my neck, he told the Jamaica Observer. He said he turned around and saw a man he did not recognize. He said, "Me see the man cross him hands like a Muslim, and then him say, 'Allah, Allah, I need to kill this man.'" What is this? Allah, Allah, I need to kill this man. What is going on in Jamaica though? Where them people you come from at about Allah, Allah, Allah? I've never heard that before. And you know, come to think of it, when I was younger and living in Jamaica, I never knew other religion existed. So naive, but I never know most of the church I heard about, and I knew about like the Indian thing that they have in Jamaica, and I knew about the Jewish, but I never knew that Muslims were in Jamaica. It's only a few years ago I am now coming to understand that we do have a Muslim population in Jamaica. I never know. So hear what this man is saying. He's shouting, "Allah, Allah, I need to dirt this man." The man is a cultist, continued 56-year-old Waugh, who is a newspaper vendor, and he's also a laborer. He said he later realized that his attacker, who continued to hit him, is the son of a man he considers a friend. So I'm friend's son, I do the harm. Me and the man father were at the seaside in the morning. And my friend, we are fishermen and good at sea and know this happened. Despite being in pain, he is grateful to be alive, he said. Boy, oh boy. The devil strong, eh? According to the Port Maria police, between 3:30 p.m. and 4 p.m. on Wednesday, Asher was walking with his family member when he was attacked by a man wielding an iron pipe and a knife. As they tried to stop the attack, the boy's mother and 5 others were saka and hit on different parts of their bodies. In addition to war, the injured included Asher's 9-year-old sister, Jesus please, who received wound to her left hand, her mother, 49-year-old Philippa Walker, who received a laceration to her right hand, 58-year-old Philip Brown, who received stab wounds to his face and lacerations to both hands, and 61-year-old Michael Brown, who was hit in his head and on his fingers. The man who allegedly wielded the cutting tool and iron that left the damage is in police custody and charged with dirtying and wounding with intent. His court date is being finalized. He is 33-year-old Devon Williams, who residents say recently returned from overseas to live with his father. Though she wasn't home when the incident occurred, Cynthia Murphy, a senior citizen who lives in the community and knows both the family of the accused and the attacker, and poor little Ashley, only 3 years old in a guys, was among those rattled by the attack. Bye. I know him, meaning Williams, that's the man that attacked the people. I know him. Williams, father must be out of his mind now. So that what they're saying is that they know that the man who did the atrocity, his dad must be going crazy because what his child has done. So he said he must be going out of his mind right now. She said, I know the baby, nice little boy, and everybody that got injured. Me feel it, says Murphy. Well, me feel it and I wasn't there. Jeez. One man who asked not to be identified by name said he witnessed the horrific attack. Can you imagine the trauma that's gonna be left on people who witness such a terrible atrocity? Jeez and peas. We literally see everything. The youth a walk past my gate with the cutting tool and a pipe iron, and he passed my gate, and the girl a come up with her kids, and him just start whop, chop, chop, lick them. Everything happened so quickly, me frightened till. Jesus, peace, he told the Observer, seemingly still shaken. Oh my. Some people have theorized that William's family knew he has been struggling with mental illness. So you see, that's a thing in Jamaica, you know, when a lot of people, I think that we need to take mental health more seriously in Jamaica. And a lot of people do not want to go and get help because they don't want to be labeled as mad. You understand me? They feel like once they go to the doctor and they're assessed, and for whatever condition that they have, and medication is being prescribed, these people don't want to take the medication because of the stigma that is attached to mental health in Jamaica. And we need to try and weed that out of the society, because at the end of the day, it's our brain. And just like how you have a car, if your car breaks down, you're going to take it to the garage and you're going to get it fixed so that it can be up and running again. It's the same thing with our mind. If our mind's not working, we need to go to seek proper professional help so that we can avoid situations like these. Because look now, look how much people that guy has injured and one fatally. Like a baby, only 3 years old. And the family member, them know about it. But sometimes they can't even control some of them mad people, you know, because, boy, from personal experience, my brother, I'm not even going to be ashamed to speak about it, because my brother, he suffered from mental health issues. And I help him take the medication, them. You have a time when him just say, him not take no medication. Him say him never born so him not take no medication. You have another time that he will take it. Sometimes the people them at the clinic have to literally pay him. Or what my mom would do, my mom would like squeeze the nurse money before they see him and pretend as if they are the one who is paying him. He would ask them, you people coming to give me medication, you don't even know if me eat from morning. So these people, sometimes when they make up their minds so they not take their medication, it's not easy to control them, you know. And sometimes the healthcare workers, the mental health workers, it's like we don't have enough trained mental health workers in Jamaica. And when them come and visit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, when they keep coming, and sometimes the patient, they keep running away when they see them coming because them don't want to take no medication. Or if they don't run, them tell you point blank so them not take it. And it's like, it's difficult to force, it's like you have to deal with people in a humane way. So it's like you still cannot tie them up and say you got to carry them to hospital because they're an animal. So sometimes we as a family member, we know and we report it and we try to get help for the person, but because there's not that many resources in Jamaica, people don't take those things as serious as they should. But you see, when people don't take these things seriously, look what happened. Look what happened. Sometimes the way how my brother him threaten and how him go on and the things that come out time mouth is like you swear so you reach the underlife and afterlife already. Him never really physically hurt none of us, but at the end of the day, we are walking on eggshells. It's not easy. The government need to do more. When it comes to mental health issue, a lot of things need to be pumped with the finances, get the right people who are qualified, who are trained to deal with these people, because it's not easy. Let's continue with the story, guys. Boy, oh boy. See there. He mash up 6 people and dirt the little baby, said one young man as he joined a spirited conversation taking place in the neighborhood shop. A family friend who opted not to be identified by name said her daughter and Asha are almost the same age, as they often play together. Jeez, she said she broke down in tears after watching a video that has gone viral on social media. Can you imagine? A video of the incident went viral on social media. Can you imagine the hurt? Boy, I wouldn't want to see that video there at all. She said she's the same age as her daughter and they often play together. She said she broke down in tears after watching a video that has gone viral on social media. When I heard his mother scream, knowing that I have a little girl just like him, I broke down crying. Of course, she said. The woman said fear has gripped the usually quiet neighborhood. The community is shaken because we are not used to such drastic violence that devastates everyone the most. What devastated everyone the most is that we all have children up and down coming from school. So this could have literally happened to everybody, anybody, sorry. It could happen to anyone. It's not like he specifically chose those people, so he's gonna hurt those people. It's just a random attack. Drastic, violent. It's just not easy. Let's continue, guys. It could be any of them, and I suppose that's what makes it that more traumatic, she said. She remembered Asher as being happy and always playing with his bigger brother on the bicycle. Boy, oh boy, I feel it. It's like I'm telling you this story, but it just cut me up so much because on one hand, where the mental health issue is concerned, I have experienced what it is like to have a mental health person who is close to you and what comes with all of that. But guys, I have a headache. The concerned woman, who recall once being chased by another man who is believed to be of unsound mind, said there are several other individuals who are believed to be mentally challenged in the community. So you see, we need more resources to help these people because we don't have the resources in Jamaica and it'll get out of control. She called on the authorities to address the situation because citizens are living with fear. They are living in fear. It's not safe for our kids, and that is what is wrecking everybody right now. I can't even call my mother because as soon as I call her, she starts crying and going on because she's thinking about the grandkids and the babies. Right now, I had a gate designed and I am going to change it bigger. So you see, it's like we have to build prison, we have to lock ourselves in prisons in our own home. It's like, so you see, she's gonna get a bigger gate. She design a gate, but she's gonna have to make it really bigger and higher, she said. One angry resident who gave his name as John, said the attacker should get the death penalty if convicted. Anybody who dirt Pitney, forget the guillotine or the rope. No questions asked. Him can't do this and then get away because he mentally challenged. Me not believe in that. If them can't find somewhere to put him, them need to get rid of them. I could have my youth that I come from school, and if you are a parent, you understand how I feel right now. Them need to do something about it, he stressed. However, Member of Parliament for St. Mary, Dr. Maurice Guy, believed that steps should be taken to have mentally challenged people reintegrated into society. Of course, steps should be taken for them to come. We don't want them to be locked away. We just want them to get the necessary treatment that they can function as normal members of society. That is all we want. I don't want them to be locked away for sure, because as long as there are medications that are there to help these people, we want these people to be treated and to be put back into the community. So that we want. So him never have to say that, but we want enough to treat the people them. We want enough to do something more. That's what we want. He said residents can play a part. Part of it has to be a community effort in ensuring that they get treatment. The whole aspect of mental health in this country is not to confine them to institutions such as Bellevue. Well, I agree with him on that. That's not what I think most people want. It's just to change the mindset of the people so that they are able to know that having a mental health issue, so your mother no sense or whatever, it's just a malfunction of your brain. That's all, But because it's stigma, so we have to work to get rid of that stigma, guys. The whole aspect of mental health is in this country is not to confine them to institutions such as Bellevue. It is now a community effort and to reintegrate them back into the society. Well, I agree with him with that. I really agree with him with that. But them need more resources to deal with it. They need more resources to deal with mental health in Jamaica. Here is one comment that one person wrote. No, Mr. Guy, I don't agree with you on this one. Mentally challenged or otherwise, if you do wrong, you do time or get the rope. Well, as I said, everyone is entitled to their opinion. So I'm just reading this comment from this commenter. Too much slackness in the application of law or hold the family of the mentally challenged person accountable. Then you'll see how soon things turn around. Don't leave the responsibility of literally everything on the community, school, teacher, and police. Well, that's a comment. Let's see if there are any other comments where I can show you where I am able to read it out to you. Okay, for this one there's not much comment, but I have some comments that I got from what there's people are saying on Instagram and another social media platforms, and I'm gonna insert some of those comments so you can see what other people has to say about this very, very, very disturbing situation. Because I understand why people are angry. Of course I understand why people are angry. They should be angry. Them have all right to be angry, but the government need to put more resources into mental health in Jamaica. We don't want them to be locked away. We want them to be reintegrated into the society according to what the minister Guy said. Minister Guy, Minister Guy, he's the member of parliament for the St. Area region. So I agree with him on that aspect. But sir, you need to put more resources, pump more resources into mental health in Jamaica, because from first hand account, no resources, no help. It's very difficult to get help. The help is not there. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I just thought that this was a very interesting story that I needed to come and share with you. So thanks for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. And guys, also leave your comments, whether criticism or whatever your comment is. Criticism is good because we learn from criticism when you critique. So good or bad, leave your comment. Just remember to keep it. No insults or no foul language. We don't have to do that. We can communicate like responsible adults, and everybody can give their own opinions. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and come back for more videos. Peace. Bye.